All right, so next exercise we're coming to, we're gonna do a lat pull down, but we're gonna do single arm, one at a time. So shout out to Prime. They got some great handles here. I love to use these as opposed to your standard handle. It just puts a little bit less stress on your bicep and allows you to really engage and pull, driving the elbow down and activating the lats in the back more so, and it really takes out any pull from the forearms and biceps, right? So my setup here, I'm actually gonna come on the opposite side of the bench here, and I'm gonna drive my left leg and put that underneath the pad here, right? So now I'm exposing and really stretching out the lat, as you can see right here before I even pull down, the lat's under tension right here. So now from this position, I'm gonna drive elbow straight down, close to the body, activating the lat, and I'm gonna try to stick that elbow right in my back pocket, right? So it's gonna look like so. So I'm here, get a full nice stretch on the lat. Now I'm pulling and trying to tuck that elbow back behind my body, back into the back pocket, all right? Full stretch, lean towards this way, like I'm leaning towards you all, towards the camera, stretching, pull and squeeze, stretch. Hold that contraction, drive, chest up still, stretch. Switching right to the other side, same exact setup, just going the opposite way. Right leg's tucked underneath, leaning a little bit to the right, lats up, drive, squeeze, contract. Pull that elbow, pull with the elbow, not the forearm. Stretch, pull, lats. Right into the back pocket. When I'm doing unilateral rows like this, not much break between sets, because while I'm doing my right arm, my left arm and lat and side is recruiting and relaxing. So, no real reason to take a big long break between sets.